You don't know, you know. I'm a lady at the first day of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Hello family, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's almost Easter, and for most Jamaicans, that means time for bun and cheese. So today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy recipe for making an absolutely delicious bun. We're going to start off with 1 tablespoon honey, 1 bottle stout, and 1 tablespoon molasses. You're also going to need 1 teaspoon vanilla, half teaspoon cinnamon, and 2 teaspoon baking powder. Your next ingredients will be 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup brown sugar, and 3 tablespoon margarine. You will also need a medium egg and 1 cup mixed peels, along with some raisins. Once we have all our ingredients together, guys, we're going to start off by preheating the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you're going to grease your baking tin. We're going to need for this ideally a bread pan. Once you have greased the pan, just set it aside. And in a jug, we're going to add all our liquids. That will mean we're going to put the molasses, the stout, we're going to beat the egg, we're going to add it, and we're going to add the vanilla all together in 1 jug. Once we've done that, we're going to add all our dry ingredients in a separate bowl. So in this bowl, guys, we're going to add flour, the baking powder, the cinnamon, sugar, and you can also add the margarine here. Then you will just mix all the ingredients, all these ingredients together. I add the raisins last, but it really doesn't matter. So here now we will just combine all the dry ingredients, and then we will add the liquids to this and mix it all together. Once we have mixed this, we are going to pour it in our greased tin, and we're going to just put that in the oven. And we're going to let that bake in the oven for about 45 to 60 minutes. Guys, this is what the finished product looks like. We have just one final step, and this is to make a glaze. Now the glaze is simply the honey, 1 tablespoon of honey, along with 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Now we just coat the bun with this mixture, and we apply the glaze to the bun while it's hot. Once we have coated the bun, we just let it sit there until it's cool. Guys, this is the final product. What do you think? I think it's looking good. Guys, there you have it, the final product. Guys, this is quick, it's easy, it's inexpensive, and really tasty. Please go ahead, and if you try this, tell me what you think and how yours turned out. Thanks for staying with me again, guys. And until next time, ciao.